What's up guys, I want to show you guys on how you can easily activate your UTrading AI bot. All right, so you need to just activate the bot so that the bot can be trading for you on your Binance or Bybit account. You are not sending your money to any third party. All your capital remain on your Binance or OKS. It's that simple. So right now, let me show you how you can do it step by step in this particular video, step by step guys. So the first thing you need to do is to just make sure to click on the assets. You can see down below. When you click on the assets, you're gonna try to come to this particular area. The first thing before you can go to click on deposit, make sure you check the UGAS that you want to buy. Click on the UGAS first to check the one you want to buy. Click on the UGAS, then you can see the list of the UGAS. So we have the one of 445 USD. We have the one of 95. All right, the normal one we normally recommend to start as a beginner is the one of 95 USD. So for those of you that you have a large capital and you want a fast executions of your trading, you recommend the one of 540 USD. All right, so but for beginner we always recommend this one for start, the 95 one as beginner. So once you know the one you want to purchase, you now go back, you click on this area to go back to your, then you let me show you again. You come to this particular asset area. All right, then you click on this deposit since you have already know the one you want to purchase. All right, then you copy the wallet address, but the network is Arbitrum, but I prefer you to go for the fast network like BNB. Just click on it, like this, click on it, then you can select the one of BNB or Polygon. All right, BNB smart chain, but let me just use BNB smart chain. It's very fast and very cheap one. You're gonna try to click on this particular button. It's that simple. You click on the button, it's that simple. Then you go to your exchange. As an example, let me just show you. Then you come to your exchange here, you click on the wallet down below, then you come to this particular withdrawal button, come to this withdrawal button. It's that simple. Just wait for it to load up. You click on this, you come here. All right, then you paste the wallet address, you paste, then you select the network, the 20, then you try to click on to put in the amount 95, then click on confirm withdrawal. It's that simple. You confirm the withdrawal, then the money will be reflected. So the money will be reflected on this particular area once the money reflects. So once the money reflects, you just need to click on this particular UGAS. You click on the UGAS. Let's say you send 95 USD, then you're gonna try to click on this one, click it like this, then you click on this buy. It's that simple. Then you have successfully buy your UGAS. It's that simple. Then you start trading step by step. Thank you guys for watching. Try to hit the subscribe and like and share this video.